Flutter, are you able to kiss with your wings? Oh, you can't? That's okay. I'll kiss others on your behalf. Wait a fucking minute.
Emma, why are you looking at me like that?
September 16th.
Okay, Pebble.
Really, buddy? You don't want to go there.
Oh, I really wanna go there.
What the fuck?
I know what you are, you little Jeff Fest.
Was that one of your trivia questions?
Pebble, I don't have time. What did you just call me?
Oh, how cute! A little pet rock! More like terrifying. The emo one named Dazzle look. Appetite. Seems sweet to me. Agree to disagree. Astro? Oh, yeah, sorry, the songfish. Yeah. Why don't I just tell you all about it later? Wait a minute, you're not Astro. Hey, V, you're not mad at me for winning all your game show prizes, right? V?
Don't f yourself!
I'm gonna take that as a yes.
Pebble?
Woof!
No, really?
Bug, motherfucker!
Tell me about that later. That's actually so interesting.
Hey, Roger, am I able to help in your next case? No, Tegan is taking you away from me. Wait, what? Pebble, oh, why are you gonna pet mom? Oh, you're excited to see me. How's Dandy? I wish he could die! I know, buddy. I'm worried about him, too.
Roger from Chicago is taking over. You need to run.
I feel a beat coming on. Hit it,
Boxing.